Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Aiibot air purifier with Quadruple HEPA filter and activated carbon for 99.97% of dust, odor, animal hair, smoke, allergens in the air remover. It contains a timer function and 4 wind speeds. This is all what you will need to get a fresh breeze into your area. You have a 4-in-1 filter system composed of pre-filter, true HEPA filter, active carbon filter, and cold catalyst filter. The air cleaner can efficiently clean 99.97% pollutants in home air. Perfect choice for babies, pet owners, smokers, and allergy sufferers. To avoid secondary air pollution, the newly designed filter change reminder light will flash to remind you of changing a new filter after approximately 2,000 hours of use. You have a high efficiency design and device. The CADR is up to 210 cubic meters per hour. Easy to handle the air within 55 square meters home area. 3 speed levels. You can choose low, medium, high, etc. Are convenient to switch according to your different needs and home air quality. Meanwhile, 45 watt power is also low energy consumption. You have a night mode and a timer. The quiet sleeping mode, these are only 29 decibel, low walking noise. Won't disturb you and your family's sweet dreams. The built-in timer can help you to save a little bit of energy. Yeah, and it prevents the air purifier working all day long. There are 4 time choices: 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour. Now let's enjoy fresh home and bedroom air while sleeping. Target pollutants and anion. With multi-layered filter, the air purifier can effectively clean the smoke, pet dander, pollen, allergies, dust, PM 2.5, malt, harmful gases, formaldehyde, and so on. Anion generator release anions to purify air quality at home. Let's breathe as you are in the forest. It's really easy to enjoy this device. You only want to do is you have to remove the label of the filter system. It is in a plastic bag. Remove the plastic bag. Reattach the filter system. Then switch into a power supply. And then you can switch on. Job's done. When the filter's life expires, approximately 2,000 hours, the filter light will flash, indicating that the filter needs to be replaced for a better solution. Before using the Aiibot air purifier for the first time, pay attention to open the front cover and remove the plastic packaging from the filter itself. A canvas dust bag with Aiibot air purifier will be in the box. It is a nice gimmick, but do not use the purifier bag on top or over the air purifier itself. It's only a bag for you to go shopping, for example. If you have this part not, I read in the description of the brand that it's not all day long. This bag is included. You have a high efficiency purification. The Aiibot air purifier with built-in power, high-performance AC motor has a CADR of 210 cubic meters per hour. It is durable. It has a long service life, low energy consumption, and energy saving mode. Why? Because it has a good and a large dimension. It's better to have a large dimension because then it's not need so much energy. You have a night mode. In the sleep mode, the Aiibot air purifier works under a noise of 29 decibel. This is really not much, promising good sleep quality and fresh air for you. In addition, it is equipped with an LED night light. You have a timer function. Choose 1, 2, 3, 4 hours to set the timer according to your need. Upon reaching the preset time, the Aiibot air purifier will erase operation automatically, saving the energy and protecting the environment. And of course, you can choose the van speed. The van speed is 3, low, medium, and high. To achieve an ideal purification effect, you can freely choose the suitable wind speed and adjust the purification speed according to the air quality around the environment. It's really easy. You can use it in the living room, in the bedroom, in the office, in the kitchen. The layer filter is replaceable, and it will protect you against pet dandruff. Primary air purifier filter can absorb large particles such as pet dander and dust, suitable for families that have pets. Smoke and harmful gases. The activated carbon filter of the air purifier can purify cigarette odors and potentially harmful gases in the air, and is very suitable for newly renovated rooms. And the next step in the filter system is the dust and the pollen. The HEPA F purifier can purify small particles such as dust, pollen, and so on. And of course, odor itself. The cold catalyst filter of the Aiibot air purifier can purify interior odors put in the kitchen to help purifying the taste of the remaining food. It can also be used to eliminate odors very efficiently in bathrooms. It's really nice design. You have 310 millimeters to 466 millimeters and 153 millimeters. That means it is a small and nice design, but it is a strong thing because it has a good dimensioned fan inside and a good filter system. This is really awesome. And you can replace the filter easily. And of course, you can adjust the filters, not the filter speed, the van speed. This is good for the voice. So that it is. You can see how to use it. You can see what it is. It is really nice. And I'm going to need it to use it in my bedroom. That it is the Aiibot air purifier with Quadruple HEPA filter and activated carbon for dust, odor, animal hair, smoke, allergens in the air. You have a timer function and 4 wind speeds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.